Hey, and welcome back to a new video. Today I want to show you how to use the Canva background remover feature to actually remove the background of any image that you have in Canva here. So first of all, it's important to know that this is the premium feature. So you can only use it if you have Canva Pro. Otherwise, you need to use a different tool that I will also show you at the end of the video. But let's show you the background removing tool in Canva first. So first of all, you can select your photo and then you can already see the BG remover here. If you click on it, the background is removed in a very fast amount of time. And actually what you can do is you can also adjust this. So if you're clicking on edit and then you are going to the Magic Studio and the background remover here, you can either use the erase brush or the restore brush, and you can actually, if you want, and something was wrong, add some of the elements back into the image here. It works the same way if you want to remove some more. So for example, you can erase the hand here, and you can also always adjust the brush size. So if you need something a little bit smaller, that's also totally fine. And then in the end, you have a perfectly transparent image here, and you can use it in all of your Canva designs. As I said, this is a premium feature, so it won't work for all of you, and I wanted to show you different options. So there's a very cool tool that's called Icons 8 Background Remover here, and you can do some free removals with them if you want. So I can upload the same image that I had in Canva here, and now they will automatically remove the background of my image. It takes a couple of minutes here, but the results are very similar, maybe not 100% as good as in Canva, but you can download it for free. And then if we would have our design here in Canva itself, we can quickly move in the version from the Icons 8 background remover and also use it. I will paste you in the link also in the description below. Hope you liked this video. Leave a thumbs up and see you in the next video. Bye bye.